That was cool, right? Well, I'm gonna teach you how to make it. Most tutorial videos show people how to make transitions, but they mostly focus on the pre-production, which means the editing side. Like, you just say, get your clips and then put it in the editing software and edit and do stuff. And to some extent, that's good, but in this video, I'm gonna be focusing on the pre-production of the video and the pre-production of the clips you're filming for the transition. I won't be focusing on the post-production, but I'll be focusing mostly on the pre-production. First, for this transition, you need to be, I would recommend being in this place with grass or softish ground, so when you throw your camera, you don't want it to break. So that's why I'm in this park area with grass, perfect place. I'm gonna throw this camera as far as possible, okay? I got nothing else to do. Next, you want two cameras. You want your A camera and your B camera. Obviously, you do not want to throw your A camera, main good camera, on the ground. That's why you get an action camera. This is a GoPro Hero 8 and very durable, so any action camera works. An Instago, 360, whatever. You can get any action camera because they're built to last, so you can throw these on the ground, they're okay. Make sure you have two of them. And now you want to put them both in the same frame rates and exposure. So I'm recording 24 frames per second. I'm gonna put this in 24 frames per second. So when we switch, it's not gonna look like a drastic change. Next, you wanna have a pretty good backstory or reason you're throwing the camera down. You just don't wanna throw it down for any reason. You wanna have like, record yourself doing something, get mad, and then you throw the camera down, something like that to give it a little bit more taste in why you're throwing down the camera. Then you wanna go film the clips. So you just wanna film yourself talking and then get mad or something. Then what you wanna do, flick your camera to the ground. So still hold it, do not let go of it. You wanna flick it like this and then stop recording. Then you take your action camera, record the same talking everything and then flick it to the ground. But this time you wanna let go of it. And you don't have to flick it to the ground, you can throw it in the air, chuck it. But for this example, I'm just saying flick to the ground. So with the action camera, when you flick it to the ground, just let go of it, boom, it's gonna crash. And then of course, in post-production, in editing, you wanna add some sound effects, maybe a whip transition. Then you wanna make sure to cut where there's the most motion blur between the two clips. Cut them in just a simple clean cut, and then boom, down, it's on the ground. And that's how you make that transition. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you guys later. Peace. How was that? That was weird. I actually haven't done that.